Good morning. Here we are again, folks, soaking up some sunshine in Colorado. We've returned back to the frying pan for round 2. I was just not satisfied with how the last episode went. Round 1, the fish came out kicking our booty, so we're coming back. We're gonna come back with a vengeance, Rocky Balboa style. So what I'm gonna do, last time I had on there all winter long, I ran this Rio sinking tapered leader. The stuff is incredible and it worked out really well. Get the nymph down there, get your setup down there really quick. It's too warm for that right now, so we're gonna get this changed up real quick, and we're gonna try to get on the water immediately because I have very little time and we're gonna get to work. So I'll just give you a little behind the scenes setup of what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ready for more of our FedEx group. Good company right there. Go America. Love them. Okay, so anyhow, back to fishing. So we're gonna set up our 9-foot fluorocarbon tapered leader. I'm gonna get that thrown on, rigged up, and let's go sling some line. Okay, here we go. We got the new leader put on the pole. So our Moonshine 5 weight is ready to party on this beautiful Colorado day. Of course, the wind is picking up. It took me a little while to get my hands up and running, but just hearing the sound of that water is pure therapy to me. So I'm excited to be back here. Going to take a spot sample, see what is shaking today, and we're gonna start slinging some line. With fly fishing, there's so much to learn. And one of the great challenges for Colorado is just the diverse amount of water that we can fish. So we're very fortunate for that. But this has been one of the best, probably learning experiences of my life. And it's just scratching the surface of it, of just trying to figure these bugs out, the time of year. The whole thing is just fascinating to me. So this is what we got shaking right now with that spot sample. And I'm still learning what each thing, each one is, what's happening, what's going on, and what it means and what it tells us about the river. So hopefully as time goes on, I'll be able to explain more of this and what's happening. But right now, I'm just gonna match up the color and the size, and we're gonna get after it. Just finished working this little stretch of water here. Some really deep pools, weighted up the line to get it in the water, get it down there and see what we could do. Figured most people probably don't stop by, even get it a thought, but I like to explore as much water as possible while we're here. Right now, going to drive up the road a little bit farther, and then we'll find a little bit different spot. This spot here's got a pretty good vibe to it.
since it got struck by lightning. Ooh, rolling and tumbling like an unmanned train. I got my head in the clouds, but my soul down the drain. I got a feeling that things ain't gonna turn out well, but I'll take my time before they drag me to hell. Ooh, rolling and tumbling like an unmanned train. I got my head in the clouds, but my soul down the drain. I got a feeling that things ain't gonna turn out well, but I'll take my time before they drag me to hell.
Well, that is a wrap today for round 2 on the Frying Pan River. I hate to say it, but it is going to go to the trout again. I'm going to chalk them up at a 3, trout hunter 1. Definitely had to work for the one we did get. Beautiful rainbow, and I'm just super grateful and thankful that we got to put that in the net. I was getting a little nervous there that there was going to be nothing at all to hit the net. So we finally got one pulled in. Got some great video footage of those trout feeding. Every time I'd step, they'd come up and gather the bugs, and had a good feeding party there. So that was really cool. That just means everything to me to be able to catch that on film and have that in this episode. But overall, very, very thankful for the day. Happy to be out here, and learned a lot. Like I said, just really had to go after it, changing up the weight, changing a couple flies, changing up the indicator, just working for it. So definitely that is gold medal water fishing for you right there. So I hope you all enjoyed today's episode. It was a good one, a lot of fun. Like I said, learned a lot. I appreciate everybody that has watched, everybody that has subscribed. Just means the world to me. So until next time, which there will be a next time for the Frying Pan, we will come back with a vengeance, like Rocky Balboa type of vengeance, and we will get after it. But again, I appreciate everybody watching, and we will catch you all next time on Beyond the Fly.